Your bedroom deserves your special attention because that's where you recharge and relax after a long day. And let's be honest, we all want our bedroom to look luxurious, but the thought of breaking the bank makes us take a step back. But hear us. With some small tweaks and no major investments, it's possible to upgrade your bedroom. Here are some simple tips for making your bedroom look fancy without draining your wallet. You should start with going minimal and eliminate things from the bedroom. Get rid of any furniture or item that doesn't serve the purpose and stick to the essential pieces only. This will make your room look calm and classy. Statement lighting amps up the luxury factor. A large overhead fixture or the table lamp can instantly make the bedroom look more expensive. The tone of the lighting matters as well. Choosing warmer, subtle lighting over bright lighting makes your room look more upscale. Adding a fancy rug can pull your bedroom together in an instant and boost its style. Go for polypropylene and wool rugs as they are durable and soft, but for a more expensive look, go for shaggy rugs. A headboard in bold colors and impressive height with elegant fabrics such as linen or velvet increases the glam factor in your bedroom. Adding minimalistic artwork to your bedroom is another great idea. Go for one large art piece rather than putting on multiple artworks together. The idea is to be minimal, remember. One of the easiest ways to upgrade your room is to add some greenery. A large fern or small potted plants are a perfect addition to achieve a luxurious look, but ensure that you don't add too many pop colors as it might make your bedroom look quirky. Plush and overfilled throw pillows go a long way in transforming your bedroom's overall look. Select throw pillows in high-end fabrics such as silk, velvet and fox fur, and that will be quite enough to make your bedroom stand out. So there you go. These simple tips can help your bedroom go from average to luxurious and won't be too hard on your wallet. Do let us know which of these tips you want to try first, and do subscribe to SHOWSHA for more such videos.